The lazy girl, Jessica.
There is a girl. The girl's name is Jessica. Jessica is 14 years old. She has brown hair and green eyes. Jessica lives with her mom in an apartment. Jessica is not very active. She is lazy. Jessica doesn't exercise. She prefers to be in her bedroom. Jessica spends a lot of time on her phone in her bedroom. Jessica likes to use Snapchat on her phone to talk to her friends. She also likes to watch movies on Netflix. Jessica doesn't like school. She doesn't like to do her schoolwork. She doesn't like to write essays. She doesn't like to work on projects. She doesn't like to study. And she doesn't like to take tests. One day, Jessica has a test in her math class. Jessica is not ready for the test. Jessica doesn't study or practice for the test. Jessica doesn't want to take the test, so she has an idea. If she is sick, she can't go to school. Jessica thinks this is the perfect plan. So Jessica decides to tell her mom that she is sick in the morning. In the morning, Jessica doesn't get up. She stays in bed. Jessica's mom yells, "Jessica, it's time to go to school. Get up." Jessica doesn't answer, so her mom comes into her room. She sees Jessica in her bed. "Jessica, are you okay?" she asks. "No, Mom," Jessica responds. "I'm sick." "You're sick? What's wrong?" the mom asks. Jessica acts very sick and coughs. "I have a cough and my throat hurts. I can't talk much," Jessica says. "Poor thing. You need to rest. Stay in bed. You are not going to school today," Jessica's mom says. Jessica is happy. She doesn't want to go to class, and she doesn't want to take the math test. Jessica coughs again, a fake cough. Her mom says goodbye and goes to work. Jessica doesn't work, and she doesn't go to school. Jessica stays in bed all day. She talks to her friends on Snapchat and watches movies on Netflix. Jessica likes being at home on her phone. After work, her mom returns home and talks to Jessica. "How do you feel, honey?" she asks Jessica. Jessica acts sick and sneezes. "Achoo! I feel awful." Jessica lies and pretends to cough. My throat hurts and my head hurts. My poor girl, her mom says. She goes to the kitchen to prepare some food. Jessica is very happy. She is not sick, but it is really easy to act sick. Her mom returns to her room with soup. Achoo! Jessica pretends to sneeze. Thanks for the soup, Mom. Poor thing, you have a cold, her mom says. She gives a box of Kleenex to Jessica. Jessica acts even more sick. Yeah, Mom, I have a bad cold. I don't think I can go to school tomorrow. You're right. You can't go to school, her mom says. In the morning, her mom goes to work and Jessica stays in her room. She is hungry. She wants to eat. So Jessica looks for food in her bedroom. She finds chocolate, granola bars, soda, and a box of cakes. Later, Jessica has a stomach ache. Jessica really is sick, and now she doesn't need to act. After work, her mom returns home and talks to Jessica. How are you, honey? She asks Jessica. I am really sick, Mom, Jessica cries. You're not coughing, her mom says. No, I don't have a sore throat, Jessica responds. You're not sneezing, her mom says. No, I'm not stuffed up, Jessica responds. Her mom touches her forehead. Jessica's forehead is not hot, so she doesn't have a high temperature. You don't have a fever, her mom says. No, I don't have a fever, Jessica responds. So what's the problem? Jessica's mom asks. Jessica doesn't respond to her mom. She runs to the bathroom and vomits. She throws up all the chocolate. She throws up all the granola bars. She throws up all the soda. She throws up all the cakes. Her mom sees all the trash from the junk food Jessica ate in her bed. Now, her mom understands everything. My poor child, she says sarcastically. Jessica lays down in bed, and her mom takes away her phone.